Always tracking, always alerting. Local 8 weather.
All right, a lot of people heading to bed, looking at the forecast for tomorrow. We're going to need our umbrellas in the morning.
You will want to keep that handy tomorrow morning. Allow some extra time if you're headed off to the office. If I can get it out. Specifically, if you live south of Knoxville. That's what we're going to.
Happens to us all the time, Kyle. It's okay.
Yeah. And you see in Gatlinburg what is happening there tonight with the live camera there. Look to the right of your screen. You can see we do have rain that is falling in Gatlinburg. We'll show you that on the radar. And couldn't resist this pretty picture from Patty Stockton out in Granger County today. You see the fall colors there, and we also have it reflecting on the lake there at Cherokee Lake. And temperatures this evening, not all that bad on the outside. We're going to be hanging near 60 degrees overnight because of the cloud cover. Right now we're at 60 in Knoxville, 61 for Sevierville, 60 in Tellico, 62 for Kingston, 59 the cooler reading down in Athens, and 62 for Crossville, 60 up in Monticello. You can see all of the shower activity that has worked its way in from the south and to the west here. Right over Knoxville now, starting to see some of the light shower activity. The heaviest activity is actually going to stay down to the south, primarily south of Interstate 40 here. That's where we're going to see the heaviest amounts of rains, up to 1 to 2 inches of rain. And it's not out of the question any of us could see a stray shower, but up in the southeastern Kentucky, places like London might not see a drop at all overnight tonight, and especially through the day tomorrow. We zoom in a little bit closer here on the live radar. You see pockets of moderate rainfall right here around Madisonville and down Highway 411. This is Interstate 75 as you head down to the south towards Chattanooga. These areas are where we're going to be seeing some of the rainfall extending out overnight tonight and getting heavier. See just west of Newport here, a very heavy shower that is just north of the areas you're headed back into Sevierville, down to Gatlinburg, getting wet as well tonight. We've broadened the picture back out, and you can see down to the south. This is what we're working with. All of this area of moisture we're going to be moving right over the top of us here. You can see back out here once we get past this, just some spotty showers, and that's what we're going to deal with throughout the day on our Monday. Everything should be out of here by the time you wake up on Tuesday. It paints it out very nicely on the future cast. So overnight tonight, look down to the south. We kind of hang in with the moisture here with pockets of light to moderate rainfall. Then throughout the day on our Monday, we're going to start the day with spotty scattered showers around. You're going to have to throw the windshield wipers on and clear it off as you're driving into the office tomorrow morning. Then by the afternoon, we see the spotty showers around. We'll hang in with the cloud cover. By 5 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still got a couple of pockets around of light to moderate rainfall anywhere your travels may take you. We extend that on in through the evening hours. Just maybe a lone shower by 10 o'clock at night, but again by midnight and especially by Tuesday morning, we should be able to get all of the rainfall out of here, making way for partly cloudy skies. Here's what we're expecting in the rainfall. Just over an inch in Sevierville, maybe 1.5 inches in Townsend, possibly less than an inch in Knoxville, and then less as you get out to the west as well, maybe 1/10 of an inch in Oneida, nothing in London. That's the latest projection from one of the models that we track of rainfall totals. 58 degrees by the time you start your day. Mostly cloudy skies. Again, showers will be around the region. We'll warm into the 60s throughout the day tomorrow. 67 in London, 68 for Williamsburg. Again, fewer amounts of rain up here in southeastern Kentucky as well as over the plateau. We'll be at 65 in Jamestown to 64 in Crossville and Rockwood. 67 degrees for an afternoon high in Knoxville, 64 in Oak Ridge. More rain there and well over into the Smokies. 64 degrees in Townsend to 63 in Gatlinburg. Rainfall could be an issue as your journeys travel around in the mountains. The rain will end late in the day on Monday. Then we have partly cloudy skies for Tuesday and Wednesday. That extends on out. The next chance of rain comes back in late Friday night with temperatures around 74 degrees, though, in the meantime. Daryl's here with sports.